Hello everybody, welcome to Centara Ras Fushi. We are staying here for 5 days. We just checked in. Let me give you a tour of the villa first. We are staying in a deluxe water villa, villa number 206. Now let's go inside. As we enter inside, on the right side is the washroom. Let's take a look at that first. This is the wardrobe section. We have a safe here. On this side there is a wash basin with all the toiletries and a mirror which is well lit. Now let's enter the room. Here's a mini bar. Above it we have a kettle, water and some glasses. Let's look at the fridge now. It has some cool drinks and some beer. There's our bed. We have a TV and a sitting area which comes with a small couch and a chair. Now let's go to my favorite part of the villa. Our private access to the ocean. The sun deck patio, which also has stairs leading directly to the ocean. So yeah, this is the view from our room. As we are walking through the resort one last time before we leave for the airport, I wanted to talk about the details on the budget and planning of our trip. When we were planning for the trip, we went through a lot of YouTube videos which was very helpful. So I hope we could help you out in the same way. The total cost of the trip was around 2.2 lakh rupees for a 4-night and 5-day stay. I'll talk about the flight details first. We had two options, either a direct flight from Mumbai or with a layover in Colombo. The direct flight starts in the morning and arrives at Malé post-noon. It might be close to evening by the time you reach the resort depending on how far the resort is. With this option, we thought we will miss most of the day in travel, so we went with the second option. Our flight started in the midnight. There was a layover in Colombo for about half an hour and we reached Malé by 9 am. So we could reach the resort well before the check-in time. The to and fro flight charges for both of us was around 42,000 rupees. We stayed at Centara Ras Fushi Resort. It was about 40 minutes from airport via speedboat. We had pre-booked the transfers between the airport and the resort. A representative from the resort was waiting at the airport to receive us. There are some resorts farther away for which you will have to go via seaplane. The charges for this is much higher. We stayed in deluxe water villa and chose the all-inclusive meal plan. This comes with breakfast, lunch and dinner with unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. This is the best option as separate food or drink orders charge a bomb. They offer a variety of cuisines, but Indian food is always available. There are some activities at additional charges which starts from $50 per person, and those activities are subjected to weather conditions. The total resort cost was around 1.8 lakh rupees. It is an adult only resort. The staff is very friendly and always on their toes to help. We highly recommend this resort for couples. Most of the resorts accept US dollars, so have some dollars in hand. In our resort, they took some deposit on arrival and returned it after the bill is settled during the checkout. Instead of resorts, you can also choose an Airbnb in residential islands, which is cost effective. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, or you can also message us on our Instagram page. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.